In this video, I show you how to fix GPay is not working or GPay is not responding problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Google Pay or GPay. Click on GPay, click on force stop, then OK. Then click on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete, go back. Now click on three dot, then click on reset app preference, then click on reset apps. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open GPay. Now enter your number, then click on continue, then accept. Now I hope that this method fix GPay is not working or GPay is not responding problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.